Working on a 10 series valve cover for those that don't know what this is. I got my piece of steel here, sheet metal. Gonna cut a piece right here. I want to keep these curves and I don't feel like making them again, so put that there. Cut it, weld and plot, and then there's a little pipe or 90 that goes in the middle that was crushed that I tried to fix, but then ended up making a mess, so I just cut it all out. Then I gotta drill a hole in the middle, get a 90, get some pipe or something. I have the little end of it somewhere. So this valve cover's on a lot of Ford tractors, all the 10 series, and then I think a whole bunch of other models have this same valve cover. It's off of 268T, if you know what that is. That's the motor. So, well, this old service card have been cutting up. So, catch you guys on the next one.